Warning: SHIB holders should prepare for a significant earthquake that is estimated to cost $6 billion. Currently, there is a significant event occurring in the crypto markets that has the potential to significantly impact the value of Shiba Inu. Therefore, if you possess any SHIB tokens or have any interest in Shiba Inu, you are unable to overlook this video. Therefore, what is the most recent information regarding Shiba Inu coins, and how will this impact the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I will address these inquiries and provide you with all of the most recent information regarding Shiba Inu's price increase. I have conducted extensive research for this video, so it is imperative that you view it until the conclusion to ensure that you do not overlook any pertinent information. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. However, before we delve into our subject, let us examine the chart and observe the price of Shiba on July 25th. The current expense of the Shiba Inu is approximately 1627 units. Shiba's price has declined by 6% in the past 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $324 million. Additionally, the token is presently ranked as the 14th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization exceeding $9.5 billion. This content is not financial advice. Please be aware that the pricing may have changed by the time you view this video. We will now proceed to the video of the day. What is the reason for the current decline in the cryptocurrency market? The impact of the sell-off in May is being observed by the total crypto market cap and Bitcoin, which are set to disappear. The bearishness is on the rise, and there were consistent declines throughout June. The current total crypto market capitalization is $2.21 trillion, as the market has experienced outflows valued at nearly $70 million in the past 24 hours. The stability that was anticipated at the $2.29 trillion threshold was not maintained, and the prospects for a recovery are dim. Total is responding to the diminished summer liquidity that has resulted from the widespread belief that one should sell in May and then disappear. The crypto market may experience a period of reduced activity and sluggishness until September or October. In order for any recovery to occur, the total would need to rebound from $2.20 trillion. The aforementioned can only be verified upon the reversal of the $2.29 trillion resistance into support. Bitcoin's value plummeted to $64,000. The price of Bitcoin plummeted below the support level of $65,000. Bitcoin is currently trading at $64,082 at the time of this writing. It was anticipated that the crypto asset would experience a decline, as it was following a double top pattern. Despite the fact that Bitcoin's price declined significantly more than the anticipated 6.5% decline, the target was $65,068. Bitcoin may attempt to reclaim its lost profits if it can regain $65,000 in support. This would result in a rise to $67,000, which would invalidate additional bearishness due to the increasing liquidity. Today, there was additional significant news regarding the broader market. CoinShares, an investment firm that specializes in cryptocurrency, has sold its FTX claim for £31.32 million. A recovery rate of 116% was observed by the company on a $26.6 million claim. Over the weekend, BTC Turk, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in Turkey, disclosed that it had been compromised by hackers. While the exchange claimed that only a portion of the balance on the hot wallets of 10 crypto assets was impacted, users have been reporting that nearly 51 million euros worth of crypto was misappropriated. I would be extremely grateful if you could click the like icon if you are still viewing. It is completely free and greatly contributes to the channel's support. However, continue to monitor the Shiba Inu coin to learn about the most recent updates and potential future developments. Shibarium is taken aback by the 493% increase in Shiba Inu token transaction fees. Shibarium Scan's most recent data indicates a substantial increase in transaction fees within the Shibarium network, which has increased by 493% in the past week. This increase is primarily due to the recent market fluctuations, which have resulted in heightened network activity and a growing interest in Shiba Inu tokens. Bone, the ecosystem's native token, is used to represent transaction fees. The bone count increased significantly from 16.22 to 79.18. The significant increase in fees is directly correlated with a substantial increase in transaction volumes, which increased by 278.5% from 5865 to 16,337 transactions within the same 7-day period. The mechanism by which these transaction fees contribute to the ecosystem is of significant relevance to livestock holders. The bone that is utilized to cover transaction costs on Shibarium is partially converted into Shib and subsequently incinerated. This procedure has the potential to increase the scarcity and value proposition of Shiba Inu tokens by effectively reducing their circulating supply. The price of the product can be increased as a result of the reduction in sheaves of supply caused by burning. This is due to the fundamental principles of supply and demand, when demand remains constant or increases in response to a decrease in supply. Additionally, expenses increase. The recent increase in transaction fees demonstrates the critical role that Shibarium plays in enhancing the network's activity. It also demonstrates the extent to which it can influence Shib's market. The ecosystem's active management of token economics through combustion mechanisms may instill greater confidence in Shib's value proposition among long-term investors. The Shiba Inu is at a critical juncture as 417 trillion Shib tokens reach break-even. The block contains data from the on-chain analytics platform, which indicates that 13,190 wallets possess 417.43 trillion Shib tokens. These tokens were acquired within the price range of 1,700 units to 1,800 units. It is worth noting that Shiba Inu prices returned to the 1,800 unit level for the first time since February last week, only to experience further declines as adverse pressure persisted. At present, Shib has momentarily reached a nadir of 1,627 units. At the critical decision juncture, there are 417 trillion Shiba Inu. For a variety of factors, the 417.43 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, which are currently valued at approximately $0.17, represent a critical threshold in the asset's price trajectory. Initially, these addresses are at a break-even point, with the average holder not experiencing either a profit or a loss. Furthermore, this price point has the greatest concentration of Shib tokens among all accumulation price thresholds. It is intriguing that despite the region's highest volume, it has the fewest addresses, with only 13,000 wallets. In essence, the 417 trillion Shiba Inu that was accumulated at approximately $0.17 represents a critical juncture in the asset's short-term trajectory, with the subsequent action having substantial implications for investors. Case study. The subsequent support level is at 1,400 units if Shiba Inu's price descends below the 1,700 units price region and the 417.43 trillion Shib tokens become unprofitable. Currently, an average of 1,600 units is held by approximately 58,000 wallets, which collectively hold 94 trillion Shib tokens. It is important to note that the Shiba Inu's collapse to 1,400 units is nearly complete, as the support level is not particularly robust in light of the number of Shib holders at this price point. Additionally, Shib is perilously near to surrendering 1,700, particularly in light of Bitcoin's recent retest of $62,500. Additional potential circumstances. Conversely, Shiba Inu may encounter resistance in the $0.18 to $0.19 range if it gains momentum and temporarily surpasses the bears. This range is occupied by 18,150 addresses, which collectively hold 8.18 trillion Shib tokens. If the bulls surpass this threshold, a more substantial resistance lurks just beyond, with over 114,000 accounts holding 67 trillion SHIB tokens. Investors may attempt to liquidate their holdings at the 2,300 units region. The primary narrative of the video for today is now underway. As a result of a 50% decrease in open interest within a week, the Shiba Inu has reached a 3-month low. Recovery for holders of SHIBs may require a period of time, as the current market conditions do not indicate a bullish outcome. Investors in Shiba Inu should withdraw their support. The meme coin has fallen to a 3-month low, and Shiba Inu's price is currently bearing the wrath of the bears. The downtick in the disrupted money flow is indicative of the increasing selling pressure on Shiba Inu investors, which is a result of the decline. At present, this indicator, which gauges the accumulation and distribution of a cryptocurrency, is situated beneath the neutral line. This underscores the growing bearishness among investors. Shiba Inu's open interest has experienced a substantial decline in addition to the disrupted money flow. Open interest is a critical metric for assessing market sentiment and potential future price movements, as it denotes the total number of outstanding derivative contracts. Shiba Inu's open interest has decreased by over 50% in the past week, from $73 million to $34 million. This considerable decline indicates a significant change in investor confidence and behavior. The significant decrease in open interest indicates that investors are withdrawing their funds from Shiba Inu, primarily as a result of the ongoing price decline. The trend is furthered by this withdrawal, reinforces the cryptocurrency's pessimistic outlook and increasing selling pressure. Prediction of the pricing of Shiba: it will require a period of time to recover. The price of the Shiba Inu, which is currently trading at 1627 units, is already below the critical support of 2,093 units. The meme coin may now be subject to the repercussions of the decline as investors retract their investments. It is probable that the meme coin will either remain at or below 2093 units or experience a decline to 1473 units. In either scenario, the price of Shiba Inu is expected to undergo consolidation, with recovery being postponed. This adverse thesis is only rendered invalid by the resurgence of purchasing pressure. This could conceivably propel the price above 2093 units, driving it upwards once more. An additional surge would convert 2267 units to support. However, Shib is not the sole endeavor that warrants your attention at this time. I have truly assembled a list of the most promising cryptocurrencies to acquire during the current market downturn. Presently, observe the video displayed on the screen. I assure you that you will not want to overlook it.